To find the value of sine 18 degree geometrically, we have taken the triangle ABC, this one 72, 72. Triangle is isosceles, this part we have taken x, this one x, and this side be equal to b. Then obviously remaining angle going to be 36 degree. Now draw perpendicular BM and draw the angle bisector BL. Angle bisector means angle ABC divided in two parts. This is 36, 36. This is 72, 72. This is 90, 90. And these two triangles are congruent. BML congruent with BMC. So this part 18 degree, this part also 18 degree. Clear? Now in triangle ABC, if we apply angle bisector theorem, we have an expression like this, that AB by AL equal to BC by LC. Okay, just substitute the value of AB as AB is what? That is x, and AL is equal to B, BC equal to B over there, BC is B, and LC is equal to x minus B. Then cross multiply, solve the quadratic equation. We have x equal to this thing, so x by b is root 5 plus 1 by 2. Now in triangle BMC, we get sine 18 degree, that is MC by BC, just substituting the value x minus b by 2 by b, and just separate it. It will be half into x by b minus 1. Put the value of x by b, what you got there, x by b will be positive only, it cannot be negative because side ratio cannot be negative here. We get root 5 minus 1 by 4.